Sino ang bagong hari? Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max? Ultra-large sensor? Well, tignan mo naman. Yung likod pa lang, ang laki na. Tignan mo yung lens. Oh, kumpara mo kay iPhone. Layo. Ayun guys, so tignan mo. Yung color niya, mas accurate. Mas true to life. Ito naman si iPhone, parang ang itim ko. Ang itim ng mukha ko dito at ang laki pa, ang taba. Dito ang payat, ang liit. Mas pang-artistahan ako dito. As nyo guys, ito or ito? Ang sabi ni Huawei, to the new king of imaging. Hari ng zoom. Ito guys, oh. Yan, nag-zoom. Yan na. Guys, ano niyo ba yan? Pagka-picture! Oh! What? Ito ba to? How could this be? Ito naman yung picture ni iPhone. Color Mars. Malapit na ang camera ni Huawei. 200MP ultra-large sensor telephoto camera. Finally, may 5G na po si Huawei. Dahil yung kanyang processor ay Kirin 9030S with 5G na to. Ngayong araw, mag-compare tayo ng Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Kaya ba talaga talunin ni Huawei ang isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong phone? Tingnan natin. Pasabihin sa watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Okay, so ito na po yung itsura ni Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max. Check that out. Meron siyang parang sunset, summer beach vibes. Ayan o, may pa-orange sa baba at may pa-blue sa taas. And in the middle, nag-converge sila like a gradient style design. In fact, pag tinatama ng ilaw, nagbabago po yung color niya. Ang tawag pa ni Huawei dito is orange ocean color. Dual tone gradient design po to. Meron siyang 4 na colors. Meron siyang blush gold, orange ocean, blaze purple, and graphite black. Sa Pro version naman, meron siyang guava soda, orange soda, coconut white, and mulberry black. Na before, yung likod lang po yung madalas na gradient. But now, ito po yung first ever phone na pati yung gilid, sinama na rin yung kanyang pagka-gradient. This feels like real metal. Sa likod din? Wow. Although ito rin is very premium and very matibay din ang feels. Pero guys, pag nawawa mo si Huawei, wow, this is very solid. Pero speaking of the camera, ito na po, guys, wala masabi. This 200MP camera is just blowing my mind. So Huawei has this true-to-life color na very accurate po siya. Kuwang ko yung skin ko. Medyo mestizo kasi tayo. Medyo bimbi. Ayun. Tapos hindi lang yun. Maliit pa yung mukha ko dito. So mas attractive ako tingnan sa Huawei. Tapos in terms of color and detail, guys, ang layo. Bakit parang patay na patay yung kulay ni iPhone? Starting at 1 times. Ang Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max already gives us a clean and well-balanced shot. At 4x, it keeps more of the fine details intact. At kapag 10x na, mas madali na makita yung difference. Then at 20x, this is where the 200MP ultra-large sensor telephoto camera really pulls ahead. Sharper details, cleaner textures, and a more usable image overall. Based on these examples, parang panalo lagi si Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max in every zoom comparison. Parang kahit sa video, consistent pa rin si Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max. Kahit nag-zoom in ka from 1x hanggang 20x, mas controlled yung shake, mas stable yung framing, at mas malinaw pa rin yung subject. Kahit handheld. Tignan mo to sa side-by-side samples natin, mas usable pa rin at mas polished si telephoto video ni Huawei. Especially sa higher zoom levels. So hindi lang siya panalo sa photos based on this test. Lamang din siya sa telephoto video. The Pura 90s Pro Max has an ultra-lighting HDR camera, and Huawei highlights 16 stops of HDR, which is meant to balance the subject and the background even in strong backlight. Now, isa sa mga pinakagusto kay Huawei is kanyang true-to-life color. Meron siyang second generation po. Tignan mo ito Try mo. Okay, take photo tayo ngayon. So, tignan natin kung sino yung pinakamalapit dun sa DSLR. Ready? Oh guys, as you can see, ang puti ko sa Huawei, tama yung kulay ng table. Tingnan mo yung skin ko dito. Ayan oh. Guys, oh. Oh, skin. Skin ko. Skin dyan. Tignan mo yung iPhone. Ang itim! Grabe, ang itim po sa iPhone. Now, both naman ay maganda yung AI. AI erase ni iPhone. Meron din po si Huawei niyan. Ito side by side. Kaya lang, napansin ko, mas mabilis po yung AI erase ni Huawei. Pero ito itong gusto ko talaga, yung AI move. This is the new thing. Kasi maraming tao hindi marunong mag-framing. Like sobra. Kapag mali yung position mo sa isang photo, hindi ka marunong mag-rule of thirds. Kunwari, mali yung position mo. Ito guys, i-move natin ikaw dito sa gilid para, di ba? Perfect na yung position mo. Or kung ayaw mo ng AI, gusto mo talaga ng real-time na framing na maganda composition, ito meron siyang AI composition na mag-guide sa'yo. Click mo lang yan at ito, may lalabas mo ng mga guidelines. Sundan mo lang yan at boom! Gagamitin niyo yung parang telephoto niya para ma-frame ng maayos yung subject mo. Para isipin na iba na, expert na to sa pag-photo Then last pa to kasi yung iba, walang access sa loob ng concert. So sa salamin lang, kailangan may salamin, yan. Gusto mong picture nyo sa loob. Kailangan may reflection, di ba? O, tinan mo to kahit sa labas ka. Mag-AI declare ka lang, pak! mawawala na yung reflection, guys. Ito nag-upgrade na pala si Huawei ng kanyang AI. Pero meron siyang built-in na AI niya na mas powerful, na agent-like. You can actually control your phone, change settings with the use of Celia AI Agent. Huawei's AI assistant for quick commands. Celia, open YouTube. Boom. Celia, phone's brightness is too bright. Bring it down. Oh. Or bring the volume up. Oh. Then set an alarm. Wake me up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Hey Celia, book me a Grab car. SM City, North EDSA. Oh, ayan. Okay. Celia, wake me up when September ends. Oh, by the way, 5G na pala tong phone na to. Sa wakas, after so long. Yun siguro yung pinaka-problema ng mga tao. 60,000 pesos 4G lang. Ngayon guys, 80,000 pesos 5G. Well, syempre, ang advantage talaga nito is, paano pagka nawala na yung 4G? Diba? Napag-iwanan ka na. At 5G guys, mas mabilis. For gaming, for sending email, for coverage, everywhere you go, mas mabilis na po yung inyong internet. Ang inyong data. Hopefully. Depende sa location.
Pero what if you can actually transfer your images and videos sa iPhone? Sa iOS with Petal Interconnect.
Wow. At syempre, yung favorite natin, si App Gallery, where you can access essential apps and top local apps. Na mas kompleto na ngayon. Kung dati, konting-konti lang, medyo hirap ka kay App Gallery ngayon. 8 years later, mas mature na, mas kompleto na po si App Gallery. Now, syempre, ang sabi ng mga tao, mayroon pong ceramic shield man daw tong si iPhone, which is sobrang tibay, sobrang scratch resistant. But what if I told you, mas matibay po kay Huawei. With its signature Kunlun glass na mas upgraded na po ngayon. Ito Huawei claims up to 70% less reflection and glare. And 16 times more scratch resistant daw po to since yung last version. At 25 times more drop risk. Kailangan natin ng bagong unit. Jay, mukhang kailangan natin ng bagong unit. Joke lang! Ay! Joke lang. Okay pa rin. Okay pa naman, guys. Oh no! Oh no! Masyadong mahal tong video na to. So, ibig sabihin, mas panatag ka kay Huawei. At guys, meron pa siyang 6,000 mAh battery pala. Hindi lang durable ang kanyang katawan, but also durable din ang kanyang battery. Pang matagalan. The Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max is clearly not trying to be just another flagship phone. The focus is very clear. Yung camera, AI imaging, 5G experience, and durability. The 200MP telephoto is for people who want to shoot from far away and still meron pa rin detail. The ultra lighting HDR camera is for difficult, challenging shots like sunsets and backlit portraits. The true to color camera is for people who want more natural looking colors, and the AI tools are there to help you shoot smarter and fix photos faster. So, ang tanong ngayon, ito pa rin ba yung hari? Hari ng basag? Basag ba Or ito na, dahil hindi pa basag. Actually, for me, no? Grabe. Medyo mataas na respect ko for Huawei for still sticking around.
Grabe na talaga si Huawei, may 5G na, may app gallery for Google pa, magandang camera, smooth performance, tapos sobrang durable at packed pa with AI features.
Kompleto na. Bakit ko na rin kulang? Ako rin, kulang ng screen protector.
Enjoy only 5G on Huawei Pure 90s series with all new G Plan Plus 999 offer, which will be available from August 7.
Pero sa tingin nyo, mas okay na talaga ito kaysa dito? Let me know guys in the comments below. Sino ang mas panalo sa inyong mata? Or gusto nang comparison between this and yung Samsung S26 Ultra in the future? Alam mo na gawin. Mag-follow ka na, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my great content. Sabihin sino watching Unbox Diaries.